song, yay!
Woohoo! Pretty neat, huh? So what's this tape all about? It's about this, the Holy Bible. And some people are trying to take this book away from me. Why? Because they don't feel like I'm up to this reading level yet. They feel I'm a much more accomplished reader for this book, the Picture Bible. And first off, I like to say that I had a lot of people argue with me that dinosaurs do not explode. Show you this. Dinosaur. And yes, he does explode. See, I already said that dinosaur is a two-part word. Meaning dina, meaning Latin for dunamis, or explosive, and then saur means lizard.
Dynamite!
And I'll tell you why dinosaurs explode. Because they were created by the same God as the bird on the same day.
The evolutionists would have you believe that we had the rapture millions of years ago. You see, and look, they even drew feathers on it. And then the rapture evolved into the Archaeopteryx. Look, I'm a flying dino now. And then, millions of years later, look out, I'm going to crash, I'm going to turn into a pigeon, woohoo! But that's not true. See, all these animals existed at the same time, and they were all on Noah's Ark together. And there is even new evidence that suggests that Noah's sons rode flying dinosaurs to help assist in bringing the animals 2 by 2 onto the Ark.
And since they're so similar in design, the bird is unable to fart. Have you ever tried to feed a bird Alka-Seltzer? They explode. Dinosaurs, created on the same day as the birds, are also unable to fart. And since they are bigger, that gas buildup is more stronger. I'll show you that dinosaurs explode. Just let me get my knife out. See? He exploded. Woo! Woohoo! And same thing would happen if you feed a bird Alka-Seltzer. He just doesn't explode as much. Now, I read the end of this book. Well, I looked at the pictures at the end of this book, and I know that if you're a Christian, woohoo, we win. Because I looked at the end first. I'm like that type of person that gets to the end of the Nancy Drew series first to see who kills the person or whatever.